In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a retool workflow. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a reliable schedule using either simple intervals or precise cron timing, so your automations run when you want without manual effort. Start by heading to the Workflows tab in your Retool dashboard. From here, you can create a new workflow or open one you've already built. Once the canvas loads, you'll notice a default block at the top called Start Trigger. This block controls how your workflow begins, and it's the place where we'll define the schedule. Think of it as the workflow's alarm clock. When it goes off, everything downstream runs. If you're opening an existing workflow, take a second to confirm the canvas looks clean and that the Start Trigger is clearly visible at the top. This makes it easier to see how your automation will kick off. Click the Start Trigger block to open the Triggers panel. In that panel, enable the Schedule trigger. This unlocks two scheduling options. The first is Interval mode, which is perfect for simple repeating schedules. Choose minutes, hours, days, weeks, or months, then set the frequency. For example, run every 1 day to refresh a dataset daily, or every 15 minutes to keep a cache warm. Intervals are easy to understand and great when you just need a recurring rhythm without caring about a specific clock time. Keep in mind that shorter intervals mean your workflow runs more often, so pick something that matches the workload and importance of the task. The second option is cron mode for precise timing. If you need something like every weekday at 9 a.m. or the first of the month at midnight, cron is the right tool. Enter a cron expression that matches your schedule. For instance, 00 runs at midnight every day, while 09 one triggers at 9 a.m. every Monday. If you're new to cron, remember the typical 5 fields represent minute, hour, day of month, and day of week. Start with a known pattern, then refine as needed. When in doubt, use a trusted cron reference or validator to avoid typos. After choosing interval or cron and setting the timing, glance back at the Start Trigger on the canvas. You should see a summary of your schedule there, which confirms the trigger is configured. That's it. Your workflow now has a schedule and will start automatically according to your settings.